I love using Kum Kee sauces in my cooking. They deliver maximum flavor with minimal effort. In this series, I want to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavors in easy everyday dishes. In this video, I want to give you 3 delicious recipe ideas using Hoisin sauce. Hoisin is a classic Chinese sauce. It's made from ground soybeans, spices, and sweet potato. It gives it a wonderfully salty sweet flavor. You'll most likely have had it with duck and pancakes, but I want to show you some other ways to use Hoisin that'll have your taste buds tingling. For a decadent snack, bake some potato wedges in the oven. Then mix some mayonnaise and Hoisin sauce together. Finally, brown some bacon lardons in a griddle pan. Add in some Hoisin sauce and a dash of dark soy sauce for an amazing rich color. Drizzle the Hoisin mayo over the wedges and top with a sticky sweet bacon. The Hoisin goes great with the bacon as its sweet flavor complements the saltiness of the meat. Hoisin also makes an amazing marinade. I love to coat chicken wings with plenty of red onion and Hoisin sauce. Then brown them off in the frying pan and roast them in the oven. The sauce makes the wings super juicy and sweet. Finish with some black sesame seeds and you have some awesome chicken wings with hardly any effort. For a simple noodle dinner, I coat a pork chop in lashings of Hoisin sauce and fry in the wok. When it's done, place it on top of some cooked ramen noodles. To the same wok, add some vegetable stock. Lightly blanch some pak choy in the vegetable stock. Add a small dash of double deluxe soy sauce for an umami hit. Then ladle the soup and the pak choy over the pork and noodles and it's ready to eat. Chewy noodles, savory broth, and sticky sweet pork. So comforting. So there it is, some super easy ways to use Hoisin sauce to create something delicious. Let me know in the comments how you like to use Hoisin in your cooking and make sure you check out the rest of the sauce masterclass for more recipe ideas.